running an online business, you already know that you need constantly new content, whether you're sending emails all the time to follow up with your clients, whether you are writing a blog, whether you're doing videos on a daily basis, whether you're posting on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, wherever, right? You need content. And the thing is, if you're if you're running the business online, any digital business, you know that without content, you won't be able to build a rapport, you won't be able to build up that trust and like factor, and you won't be able to get clients. And obviously, without clients, there is no business, right? So, something I want to share with you, I want to give you a few ideas. And so, you already know, um, like YouTube. You just go and search on YouTube on any topic that you want to do it on. This one is like a very common sense Google, right? That's like number one search engine. We already know this. You don't know something, Google it. Like anybody will tell you, kids will tell you that. So there's another strategy that I wanted to share with you today, and I'm going to actually share my screen with you and show you. And so I'm going to talk about this really cool site. It's called Answer the Public. And if you go, and it's just answerthepublic.com. So if you go and in your search bar, type in whatever you want. I did, for example, how to get clarity, but obviously we can go and put in anything else. And so this is just an example just to show you. So I wrote how to get clarity. And obviously you see that it is dated today's date, September 6th, 2021. And they have 237 results for this particular question. And so this is just an idea of, if you're talking about how to get clarity, well, how to get clarity in life, how to get clarity in photos, how to get clarity in a relationship. So it gets really specific, and these are all the different questions that people are asking today. How to get clarity in career, how to get clarity of purpose, how to get clarity in video, how to get clarity from God, how to get clarity from a guy. And then it goes into how will you get clarity of speech, how to improve your clarity of speech. Look, I'm not going to go through all of this, but like, what does clarity mean? How to get clarity on what you want? What does get clarity mean? So these are all the questions that people are asking on a daily basis. And so these are the questions that they're asking today. Then there's like how to get clarity for a certain thing, or with, or is, or without. And then it keeps going. How to get clarity or something else, or versus, and like, and. And so basically there's all these ideas, and then they go into alphabetically. So how to get clarity after something, and there's like the ABCs on clarity. And so as you can see, this right there is full of ideas for you that you can just focus on just clarity and answer a bunch of those questions and create content around each of the pieces. If you want to do, like, say, a new search, and whatever you want to search about, anything, whatever your topic is, you can search up that topic, and it'll give you, and as a matter of fact, there you go. You can choose your own country, and you can choose a language. So if you're doing something other than English, if you're doing Spanish or French or whatever, you can choose that, and it'll be more specific to your area. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, because it's a strategy that will help you fill up your content with incredible information that people are actually seeking, not just because you find it interesting or you find it helpful for you, but because it's something that people are actually looking for, they're searching for. I know that in Google, you see how many thousands and millions of people search for a particular item, and on YouTube, but you don't really know how many search that specific day. So answerthepublic.com, they actually help you and show you the questions that people are asking, searching for, looking for that day. So I find this really helpful, and I wanted to share that with you. So I really hope that brought you value. I hope this strategy helps you fill your business, your course, whatever it is that you do on a daily basis to provide value to your clients. I hope this helps you. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay awesome.